Hello. So today what we're going to do is we're going to take the diamond method and see how it applies to factoring. I'm going to do the first three problems, and what you guys are going to do is you're going to write your answers to the right side, to the right column. So we're given the problem x squared minus 4x minus 32, and we have to take it from standard form to factored form. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put negative 32, right? We put our C term. Remember A, B, C. C is the last term. And then we're going to take B and we're going to put it below. And we're going to use our diamond method. What times negative 32? I mean, what factors of negative 32 add up to negative 4? Well, I know that 8 times 4 is 32, and in order for it to be a negative 32, one has to be negative. So I'm going to make this negative because I know a negative times positive is negative, and negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4. And then all I'm going to do for my final answer is I'm going to take these and write x minus 8, x plus 4, and I'm done. That's my answer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to write my answer, right, like how you guys would write it, which would be just to type it out. So x, if you want to, you could say 1 is x, parentheses, x minus 8, x plus 4. Nice little trick, by the way, is if you go to insert, there's a thing right over here called equation. It's called Microsoft equation. And it's really great because you could put fractions, you could put all these cool math symbols, and it even makes everything look a little cleaner. If you ever wanted to impress your teachers in the future, all right, you can use equation. But you're not going to have two things, you're only going to have one. So that's just an option. If I'm okay with whatever. Let's do the next one. Let's do 2. So now, pen, eraser, erase this. Okay, now let me go back to pen. What's being weird? Okay. All right. Pen. All right. Sorry about that, guys. All right. X squared plus 8x plus 12. What do I put on top? What do I put on the bottom? 12 is here, so I put 12 up top. 8 is here, so I put 8 on the bottom. Positive, positive. That means these two are positive. What times what will give me 12? And then what plus what will give me 8 as well? Well, if I do the tree, I start with 1 and 12. Add it together, that's 13. That's not going to work. 2 and 6, added together is 8. I'm done. 2, 6. Right? And then so my final answer is x plus 2, x plus 6. All right. Let's do number 3, and that's the last example I'm going to do after that. So again, we draw our diamond. 24 goes up top. Negative 11 goes on the bottom. I know that 2 times 12 is equal to 24, but that will not give me what I need, right? So I notice also that my product's positive and this is negative. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 24 like this, 1 and 24. And to get a negative sum but a positive product, I know they both have to be negative. All right, negative 2, negative 12, negative 3, negative 8. There we go. Negative 3 plus negative 8 is negative 11. So negative 3, negative 8 goes in there. Notice how when I got stuck and I couldn't do it, I went to my method, right? My go-to method when I get stuck doing these. And so Mr. Pilcher doesn't care. If for you, you can do it in your head, that's fine. But if you get stuck, I highly recommend having a method. So negative 8, negative 3. Let's remember those. And now, x minus 3, x minus 8. Remember, it doesn't matter the order you put them in because it's called the commutative property. It allows you to flip. All right, so the rest of these you're going to try on your own, and then just hand in your final project, okay? Your final problem set. If you have any questions, please contact me and let me know what your questions are so I can make videos to address them, because maybe somebody else has them but is not brave enough to ask them.